So, do you want to tell us what we're doing today?
Poğaça.
Poğaça.
Dereotlu poğaça.
Okay.
Vegan
Dere.
Peynirli.
peynirli. Aslında feta, Yunan peyniri diyoruz değil mi?
Beyaz peynir bizde.
Ha, beyaz, ezine gibi.
No idea what's going on. So, what
Dereotu.
got dere?
Peynirli ve dereotlu poğaça.
Peynirli ve
Dereotlu poğaça. Peynirli, you know peynirli.
Peynirli.
Peynir
Dere.
means cheese.
dere.
Otlu.
Otlu.
Ne?
This is değil. Dereotu.
Okay.
Dereotu, it's deal.
Dereotu.
Dereotlu, it's the with deal.
Oh, dereotlu. Dereotlu.
Dereotlu.
Dereotlu.
Like oglu. Like oglu. Dereotlu.
Dereotlu.
Yes.
Poğaça.
Poğaça. I'm done. Do you want to see if I did it right?
You're done.
Almost.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Nice.
Do you want to help me roll them?
Okay.
Like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Not like this, I guess.
No?
Put the
You
cheese
have to
in it
do
and then
like
we're going
this.
to
Yes.
close it.
You make a small ball,
Mm-hmm.
flatten it,
Mm-hmm.
put in a little bit of filling,
I never have done it.
and then you
This.
do this.
You can do like a moon also. You don't have to do like this, like half moon.
Yes, but
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Multitalis.
so this size or bigger? Do
I
we
think-
do
Bigger.
bigger?
It will be like this, right?
Yeah, bigger.
Yes. Like that? Is that right?
Yes.
So a little bit smaller than that.
I think this is okay.
Okay, so then take some more.
Don't have so much piece, huh?
I can make more. It's just said that I followed the recipe.
Okay. Anyway, generally it's a thing that you buy a pocha from the bakery, and normally they don't have anything in it. It says it with cheese, but
It's not
usually
in Greece.
you never seen it.
In Turkey this happens.
So it's like very Turkish right now. It's the worst when it's with olives. You are eating, trying to find the olive, and then suddenly something like a point you saw.
It's enough, huh? And Ezgi has one inside his her hand.
For an hour I'm waiting for the henna.
X2.
Oh, it reminds me of your...
This is henna song, you have to learn. Done.
Done.
Edo. No, merak etme. Maybe this one.
So now we will wait until the oven is preheated, put them in the oven, and we'll eat everything. Are you ready? Okay, it's not molten lava anymore, so
Oh.
It's more cold now.
now you won't burn yourselves.
I have
So-
saliva right now.
Let's do another taste test for the camera. After already eating half of the tapsi.
Yes, we already
Yes.
ate. We are sorry, guys. But we couldn't
We
wait
couldn't
it.
stop us.
Still good.
Okay.
Still so good.
I think that was...
Now porta.
No, not portion.
Now this is porta.
This had almost no cheese,
5
so I
minutes
think it
ago.
was...
Melted.
The one we put a lot.
Oh my god.
It's Turkish porta. They touch the cheese.
Okay.
You can search for the cheese.
Okay, I need to stop eating with a full mouth. It was amazing, try it. Bye!
We loved it. Bye.